baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you're making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Madigela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today we are talking about the Senzo Meyiwa case and the Mngomezulu situation that he was doing in that courtroom. Right now, I understand why they were trying to get rid of him. I understand why they were trying to stephanize him. I understand. I see where they were going with this because he's a pit bull. Hey, now. He comes, he bites, and he leaves paralysis, if not death. But before we talk about that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing all of those things, you are helping the channel to grow financially and in numbers. And I thank you so much, very, very much, guys, for your support. I'm on 3,000 subscribers and it's because of you. Thank you so much. Now, asithethe ngodlakadla, guys. Udlakadla. No, there's nothing they can do, son. There's nothing you guys can say, or whoever else. There's nothing anyone can say for me to hate him. Ayikho. Huh? Yabona, when he said yesterday, I have been waiting for this opportunity. Bona, he was waiting for the opportunity and he used that opportunity to the core. He dealt with the guy. Jonga, when he was asking when to when Brigadier asked me, when Brigadier Akininda asked me, when I was asked, when I was asked by Brigadier Akininda, listen, Ukhosi ended up not knowing what does it mean to say when. He ended up not knowing what does it mean to say when. Like, guys, where are the people that were saying the defense is weak? I'm here, I'm listening. Ubustini. Because nabo Khosi abasazi no when baba shuktizi. Mngomezulu wathi, can you please read? Oh, when he said, tell me, why didn't you read? I know you were led by the state, but tell me, why didn't you read all the transactions for the 26 for accused number 3? Yabangu up and down, guess that it was up and down because Ubaloyi was refused. You guys, not Ubaloyi lying. After that, Mngomezulu asked this question and was like, I know you were led by the state and you did not read all of those transactions. You only read 3. And Ubaloyi was like, objection, Your Honor. No, this evidence is... Hi, Boppy! Where? I was like, hi, boss. Are you for real? Am I hearing? I need to take out my Spank so that I can hear very well. Utini. Hi, he lied. Hi. I said, boy, now today, the things that we discovered. Number 1, around the same time Senzo was killed, I choose number 3 was in Johannesburg, not in Vosloorus. Number 2, Ndanzi's phone was at Palmer's flats whilst Ndanzi was in prison. Sana, there could be more any other things. One of those for me. I was like, one of those for me. I was like, and you guess what? Palms leo kesana home address yomunye IOs. Jonga, guys. Hi, boy, now. I'm Mngomezulu, guys. And then Mngomezulu was like, I'm not in dialogue with you, Your Honor. I'm not gonna enter a dialogue with you. Ubaloyi was Navy, guys. He looks Navy. Guys, kunzima kula courtroom sana, kunzima kula courtroom. Kunzima. Hi, Ujonga guys, my lord, can we take an adjournment? You're like, no, I'm not running out of questions. When he said I'm not running out of questions, I still have questions, but we need a comfort break, my lord. Yo, hi, Daddy, drop the mic. Drop the mic, drop the mic, drop the damn mic, please. Drop the mic for me. Yabona leyo. Judge, prosecutor, state witness. Mr. Bully had no comeback anywhere from those Kesan. I bona cooking it did not go well. Cooking, I shame whatever ingredients they were using. Did not go well. Yo, guys, bona, one of the other things that were so wow, it was when the Pitbull Kesana was busy reciting events from the bar. And the manner which he categorically and chronologically gather state lies and make them and make them make sense that they are liars of note. Listen, he brings things together, and Mosumgome Uzulu writes notes, ne? But he writes them to just remember. I think he's that guy that looks, oh, I saw Kelly Khumalo, and then he remembers everything that has to do with Kelly Khumalo. He's that guy that just one word and then he will remember everything that he read. Uyabona urata nje bethanda ubhulisha nje and undermine the defense. Uyabona namhlanje they put him in his place fast and furious, and he had no comeback. I think tomorrow he's not going. He looked like a naughty boy there. He was like this. Hey, now I enjoy seeing Urata Nobaloy tormented, guys. I'm sorry, nobody toxic, but I do. So he spent 6 weeks coming here, and then all of a sudden he's telling us, asking it, and I am not going to be surprised, guys. From Monday, he's gonna be so hostile, and he's gonna be like, I don't know, ask the investigating team. As the investigating team, I don't know, as the investigate. That's what he's gonna do next week. You watch, you watch Uzotibeng. That's what he's going to do. He won't know anything. He is not going to know anything from now on. He's done. His voice, his confidence was out the window a long time ago. Ebengasazi nokuthi athini. He was so done. Guys, I want to hear your views, because if that, I keep like, huh? Like, guys. Anyway, I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
To survive, I'll be on.